So let's talk now about printouts under direct elimination. So again, we go under printouts, and you have also a few prints. So you have a usual DE elimination direct table. In my competition I still have only one German tournament competition. So you have a DE and you have table 128 and 64 on one side, and behind you always will find the upcoming table. So I have 32, 16, 8 and also the final. The DE changes always a bit the layout depending on which size you have. So if you have a table of 64, it will start with 64, 32, 16, and you have 8 and last 4 on the following pages. We also have actual DE. This is only the print of the DE which is running. So in my case it's only a table of 64. This is sometimes helpful if somebody's coming to the DT and says, okay, I just want to see what's going on now. I don't need before or behind what's coming up. Then we do have DE in landscape with and without referees. The DE landscape with referees will also be part of the documentation. The DE landscape is nice to have if you have a World Cup and you only you only have a DE of 64 on 4 pages. Here it is 128, but if you have Seniors World Cup you get 64 on 4 pages, which is very helpful for the call room, as they have only the relevant matches by quarters. Then we have initial seeding, which is a seeding with places for the DE, and here you can see if you have fences which do have the same index. They have a T1 here, so it's toss for place number 1 because they all had same index, and I have toss for place 7 and others. But for the DE you need to have a decision, and the laptop is doing this randomly. So this is the official seeding. Then we have a seeding log, because sometimes you also have that you are doing a draw. Let's say team competition first 4 in a World Cup or first 16, you have a draw by pairs, and in the DE seeding log you can see the result. Then we do have a general result list for sure. We do have referees draw results, this print you also have under draw, but here you have for the referee delegate commission member in the draw you only have the actual one, and here you have the complete one, so you can see which referee was drawn also for 128, and afterwards table of 64. Then we have referee timesheet, referee's activity by competition and also by event, so by tournament. Then we have again the print we had already in first round, athlete which pissed. If you have a big competition and somebody's coming, I don't know, I have not seen me on the screen, whatever. And then we have call room, we call it call room signs. This is, if you have a call room in a World Cup, you will get a sign like this. So you know your fencer is right-handed, which competition, you can put it on the chair or however you need it, but this is quite helpful for the work in the call room. So these are our prints under DE. So I think everything is ready, prepared. Whatever you need else you can find under preparation or in the pools. And we will go on now with post-processing.